Important antonyms for all examinations: euphemistic, offensive; divest, clothe; desultory, connected; transparent; opaque; disparity; likeness; frame; faithful; profile; barren; unscrupulous; fanciful; embrace; reject; vague; clear; adoration; aversion; revulsion; pleasure; exemplary; deplorable; solidarity; discord; nectaral; dinner; inhibit; concur; Jeopardy; security; Tantamount; Unequal; mannered; natural; inhabited; catalyzed; Soothe; Irritate; Clothe; significant; sag; ignorant; blunt; truffle; realistic; unyielding; enormous; tiny; tribal; significant; tantamount; unequal; lethargy; vigor; disdain; respect; health; state without qualification; indifference; concern; austere; naive; disparate; homogeneous; desi; trochus; dense; scattered; concave; deny; hate; ignore; privation; permanent; obdurate; obedient; zealous; trusting; nomadic; normal; Baroque; simple; decay; nomadic; normal; Baroque; simple; myopic; visionary; nascent; unnamed; lull; move vigorously; turbulence; coordination; banal; elaborate; journal; primitive;